Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is your Cecilia teacher from Toddledon School. So, today we are going to learn your favorite subject. You know what is that? Any idea? Yes? Huh? Yes, that's a story time. Come on, clap your hands. Story time. Are you all excited to listen a story, children? Yes, you like to listen a story, isn't it? Mummy tells you story, daddy tells you story during bedtime. Now teacher is going to tell you story. Yes. So, the name of the story is The Eagle and the Tortoise. You know eagle? Yes, eagle fly very high up in the sky, and tortoise go stays on the land, the water, isn't it? Yes. So there are three main characters in this story, that is eagle, tortoise and fish. Now listen to the story. You will enjoy and will have fun in the story. Okay, here comes the video. So, the name of the story is The Eagle and the Tortoise. Okay. Once in a pond there was a tortoise. Can you see this tortoise, children? Yes, the tortoise was a grumbling sort. He was grumbling. He always used to grumble about his appearance. One fine morning, he was on the bank of the pond. Can you see? Yes. So, what happened? He saw there little fish. What the tortoise said, you know. Hey little fish, what makes you so happy to jump like this? For that, the fish said, Hi, what is there to feel sad about? If a fisherman casts his net, you cannot escape. You will be in someone's soup tomorrow. For that, the fish says, It's all my fate. Let me enjoy this moment. Let tomorrow's sorrow take care of itself tomorrow. For that, the tortoise says, If we could fly like these birds, we can also fly and hide somewhere. For that, the fish says, Why do you want to fly? What does the fish say? Why do you have to fly? Tortoise says, we can go to the far off place faster. None of them can come. Then what happened? We can be safe always. The tortoise says, nobody can come near us. We can be always safe. But for that, the fish says, but even the birds are caught by the hunters, tortoise. Do you know that? They too cannot escape. What does the tortoise says? What does the fish says? They too cannot escape. They are fools, but we can escape. Tortoise is saying we can escape. Then what happened? The fish says, I am not interested in flying. There are problems somewhere. Who knows what problem is there in flying? You keep quiet. Look at these cranes. So, the tortoise saw the cranes. What he said? They are happily gorged themselves. See, they are enjoying themselves. and then flying off to another pond in a minute. So, what happened? Look at us. They flew away and they are enjoying. Fish says the fish scarcely gave ear to all this grumbling. Then the fish went. It divided into. The fish dived into the water and started enjoying itself. He ignored whatever the tortoise said and started enjoying. After some time, an eagle who was watching all this decided to help the tortoise. Eagle came down and was asking, "What is your problem, tortoise? What happened to you?" "Hi friend, why are you so dull?" Eagle is asking tortoise, "What happened? Why are you so dull?" Can you see this eagle? Yes, the tortoise was surprised to see the eagle. Can you see? The tortoise was surprised. "Who are you?" The tortoise is asking eagle, "Who are you?" Eagle said, "I am from a far off land." Okay, the eagle said, "I am from a far off land. I am new to this place." You know, eagle fly very high up in the sky. So eagle has come down. Tortoise said, "I see. How are the distant island?" Tortoise is asking eagle, "Do you get lot of food there?" Eagle said, "It's all the same. Do you want to come there?" Eagle is asking tortoise, "Do you want to come there?" Tortoise says, "I do wish to come, but who will take me there?" Tortoise was asking eagle, "Who will take me there? How can I come? I cannot fly like you." So the eagle said, "I will take you." The tortoise was surprised. "What? Are you joking?" Tortoise said, "Are you joking? I mean it. I will take you." Eagle said, "After visiting the place, can you drop me back?" Tortoise is asking, "Can you drop me back after visiting your place?" Then eagle said, "Of course, I will carry you by your neck. You have to be careful. I will take care. You don't bother about that." Then the eagle took the tortoise. See, can you see? The eagle caught hold of the tortoise by the neck and started flying. What happened then? See, the eagle was flying high and high up in the sky. Oh, wow, how nice. Wow, it's amazing. I'm enjoying, tortoise said. Then, after some time, the eagle flew higher and higher. The tortoise was overjoyed. Suddenly, the eagle flew over a mountain. Can you see this mountain? Yes. In a flash of a second, the hard shell of the tortoise hit a small rock in the mountain. So the tortoise got hurt. What's tortoise said then? "Oh no, please leave me. Leave me." Tortoise got hurt. So he said, "Leave me. My back is aching." "Wait, I will drop you back in your place," said the eagle. The eagle dropped the tortoise back See, the eagle left the tortoise in his place. Tortoise landed in one corner of its pond. Thank you, friend, but if the rock had been huge, I would have died by now. See what tortoise said. The rock have been huge, I would have been died by now. So, I am sorry. No problem, it's my fault. Eagle said, oh, sorry. For that, what tortoise said, no problem, it is my fault. I should have been happy with what I have. God knows what each creature deserves and gives its due, isn't it? So, I am really happy in this pond, said the tortoise. It's time for me to return. I take leave, said the eagle. Eagle said, okay, bye tortoise. It's time for me. I have to go now. What the tortoise said? Bye friend. Thank you. You saved my life. So this is the story of the eagle and the tortoise. You all enjoyed the story, children? Yes, you all liked? Okay. So what was this tortoise doing? He was always feeling jealous of other animals, and he was feeling that they are very happy and I am very sad, isn't it? Once he came to know that all of them have their own difficulties and problem, then he stopped feeling, okay, yes. So after that, once when eagle went high up in the sky, before that he wanted to fly like a bird, but when eagle took him up, when he got hurt, then he felt his, yes, then he realized, then he said, no, I am very happy wherever I am. So he said sorry to his friend eagle and said, okay, we should always be thank God whatever you are. Okay, children. So moral of the story is always you should be happy with whatever you have. Okay, you should not feel jealous of anybody. We should not feel jealous of others. Okay, children. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed the story and you liked the story. Okay, we have come to end of this session. We'll see you in our next class. Okay, children.